Hello, in this video I want to show you how to clean sensors on iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. To do this, first we'll need to flip our robot upside down like this. Then I have this microfiber sheet that I'll be using to clean the sensors. And we can also take the windshield glass cleaner that we can apply on the microfiber sheet. You can also try using a paper, just be careful not to scratch the sensors. And now we can find all of the sensors, one right here, another one right here, then both in the front and also two on the other sides. And now let's use the sheet to clean them up like this. And that is basically how you clean the sensors on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.